The dry cask monitoring method we have developed is an ex situ method that gives an in situ level of detail. The need for our method resulted from a survey of dry casks monitoring and inspection technologies, which categorized them into 3 scales of investigation: the macro, the micro, and the intermediate scales. Typical ex situ methods are macro scale methods. They can only tell if the dry cask has a problem or not. These methods do not reveal what the problem is or where exactly it is in the dry cask. Ex situ methods are, however, inexpensive and relatively easy to implement. In situ methods are macro-scale methods that provide detailed information on the nature and location of an issue. These methods are prognostic in nature. They help tell why the failure occurred and how to prevent it from occurring in the future. In situ methods are, however, hard to implement and can be very expensive. Our method is an intermediate scale method that is affordable and easy to implement, yet provides data that could become a crucial key in determining the condition of the dry cask. In our approach, we are using a suite of sensors at the dry cask vents. The sensor selection is dependent on the signs we expect to detect at the dry cask vents if there is an abnormality. The sensor's readings are correlated with respect to defined baselines to discover several known and unknown issues associated with the dry casks. The analysis of the collected data through statistical methods and data analytics is used to make a confident decision on key performance characteristics of the dry cask and is aimed to serve the aging management program required for renewing the license of dry casks.
The return on investment for our technology is reached in the long term. The savings due to the technology implementation will increase with the time as data becomes available. The secondary benefits of the technology are thus leveraged at the early stage of implementation.
At the leading nuclear laboratory, INL also focuses on issues associated with spent fuel, including dry cask monitoring technologies.